You got plastic on. Stop biting the light up around it.
You think it'll bite?
Probably, that's a bite. Come on, bite. Yeah.
Can't zoom in.
Is it moving?
That's the tail's moving.
Oh god.
Oh shit. Oh my god. Oh shit. Oh shit.
It's a fucking bed.
Don't throw it out, I'll put Marshall's bed.
Look at that baby.
Let me see the little dog. What are you doing?
What are you gonna throw it?
No, don't throw it. He's like hurt. He's wet.
Ooh.
Damn.
Oh my god!
It's not cool, man.
Alright, so what are you gonna do with the bat?
I don't know. I don't think we should kill it though. That'd be kind of fucked up.
Let's keep the little bugger.
It's animal cruelty.
Seriously, go take it down to Marshall. Just take it down there and show it to him.
Put him in the
You want?
box.
No, watch out, watch out.
Where you going?
That's enough calories.